Hi, my name is David Hallas and I'm involved in the B Book in Southern Africa. We specialize in leadership and change in corporates and mid-sized organizations. I'm sure you would agree that the world has gone through a major change since March 2020. And change is the one constant that we have to deal with as organizations and as individuals. Through the B Book, which is an allegory, we run a 2-hour online workshop for day 1 and another 2-hour online workshop for day 2, where we take middle management and senior management through the change process. You see, change is about urgency. Change is about seeing and feeling the change within the organization. And with COVID-19, we talk about a new normal, but what we really want to talk to you about is the next normal. So what do we need to do? We need to look at 2021 with a different view, and we need to get people to understand that COVID-19 is no longer an excuse for lack of performance or lack of profitability. We will be working with organizations to unlock the human potential in terms of developing change strategies that will bring organizations the bottom line and allow them to have happy people. Some people say we need to think out of the box. What we like to say is you need to stay out of the box. Because if we can stay out of the box and we can get people to understand that change is a team sport and requires urgency, we can unlock the bottom line. In our workshops, we use a concept called the rider, the elephant, and the path. And it's simple. The rider is the rational side, the elephant is the emotional side, and the path is the strategy that we need to take to achieve our goals. So change is about urgency. It's about seeing and feeling the change. But most importantly, change is about the people, the people, the people. So let us walk the path with you and facilitate the change that we know is going to happen in 2021.